A new report out Tuesday, December 7, suggests that most Los Angeles families want school leaders to reimagine public education and to not simply return to the old ways of doing things post-pandemic. The report, which lays out the results of a survey conducted this fall as the majority of students and families were readjusting to in-person learning, involved polling 500 parents and caregivers whose children attend schools in Los Angeles, including traditional, magnet and charter programs. It was conducted on behalf of Great Public Schools Now, in partnership with the Loyola Marymount Center for Equity for English Learners and the education reform group Families in Schools. One major finding was that more than half, 57%, of families overall support re-examining how students are taught. The pathway forward requires educators and leadership to continue to listen to families and take action in response to families' experiences and preferences, the report states. Families want more resources to go to schools in lower-income communities. They want more individualized and targeted learning opportunities during the school day and after school, including tutoring. Although the majority of families support a reimagining of schools, there were disparities among subgroups. Black respondents showed the strongest support, 71%, and a majority of white respondents, 66%, agreed. 67% of families with the lowest income also felt this way, but only 45% of higher-income families, those with an annual household income of $60,000 or more, agreed. In terms of how money should be distributed, 96% of respondents of families supported sending more dollars to support students from low-income neighborhoods. This included 100% of Black families polled, 96% of Latinos, 95% of whites, 96% of all families of color and 93% of families with children learning English. Additionally, families of all income levels strongly support more equitable funding distribution, indicating Los Angeles families are ready to. Other survey findings showed that about 4 in 5 families overall felt their input has been taken into consideration by their schools, though more white families, 95%, reported feeling this way compared to Latinos, 82%, and Blacks, 64%. Similarly, higher-income families felt their perspective was represented at the school level, 93%, at a greater rate than families with very low income, 68%. The survey further found that while 85% of families overall said their school's handling of health and safety issues related to the coronavirus pandemic was excellent or good, only 74% of families with the lowest income gave positive marks versus 94% of higher income families.